Welcome. In this video I will show you how to right click on your HP OmniBook 7 Flip. So since the touchpad of your laptop doesn't have any physical keys, you can either right click by pressing the bottom right part of your touchpad, or you can also tap or press it with two fingers at once. And since your laptop has a touchscreen as well, you can right click by holding your finger down on an element or part of your screen where you want to perform secondary click. And yeah, short taps will perform the left click function. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.